Sup, back in the V guys, I'm Ralph and Landon. Here is CSX M326, super late in the blizzard. Here's right now, here he is. 125 freight cars in the blizzard, 125 freight cars and 3 engines in the front and a mid DPU. Here we go. Here's right now, there he is. Like there it goes. Empty steel stop cars, a bunch of them right there. Bunch more yet to come on the train. Bunch of empty steel slab cars, all empty. It's just weird. I thought they said they're loaded. I guess not. If they mess around or something. 4 steel slab cars right there. In the blizzard once again. Really coming down now. Holy moly. Couple potash cars right there. Potash Corporation cars, here they go. Quite a few. That's different. Never doubt. Hey DPU, I see you. There it goes. 7105. 7105. Lots of load of lumber right here, guys. Look at that. Up on the big snow hill. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, there it goes. Up on a massive snow hill here. LRS GTX boxcar, there it goes. Sioux Line lumber car, there it goes. One steel slab car empty, there it goes. Servotrans reefer car, there it goes right now. There's the end of the train, guys, and there it goes. 2 grain cars from Lowell, Michigan. Keaton Millen, there it goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'm Ralph and Landon out.